Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a new course which is called Python course, and in today's video I will teach you what are the comments in Python. This is also a very important topic, so pay attention here. So I made another file. I want to make another file. I click on new file and here I search comments underscore in underscore Python, and the most important thing .py. So it is a Python file now, but I have to change something. So I write here rename and 01 underscore, so it come on the top. So 02 comments in Python. So in this way we can make files in like order. So comments. So what are the comments? Comments are used for the documentation of your code. Suppose you have to read 1,000 lines of code, and in different sections you perform different tasks. So when you have a large amount of code, you cannot recognize or completely understand the course. So for your understanding, or you can also say that for documentation of code, comments are used. It is ignored by editor. It is just for your own knowledge, or you can for your own convenience. So I will show you with example. So suppose I write here print iron tech. So you can see if I run the program, iron tech is, you can see iron tech is wait a second, again only iron tech is printed, but I want to add comment for this, like comment start with hash. When you put hashtag, then it will show in green, so it is a comment, and I want to document this line in my comments. So I write here I am printing my channel name. Okay, so when I run this, you can see that only iron tech is printing. So comments are ignored by the editor, or you can say compiler or interpreter. Comments are not code, it is just for your own understanding. So these are the comments. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn through it. And I will meet you in the next video, in which we study about variables in Python. So goodbye.